Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a tutorial for print hello flag. And today we're going to be using Python, which this challenge was made for. And we just wanted you guys to practice running a Python program. And especially for beginners who haven't used Python to code before, this was just a good challenge, a warm-up that you could Google to solve. So I'm going to use Repl first. I personally think that the VM is faster. I'm also going to do a tutorial with that one, but they both work just as well. So the first thing you're going to do is download the file. So I have the flag generator here, and all I'm going to do is drag it into Repl to upload it. And then once I upload it, I'm going to click on it and I can see the code. So now I'm going to copy paste it into my main py so it can run. So I'm going to go here, Control A to select everything, Control C to copy it, click on main py, and then Control V to paste it. Perfect. So now I have the code in main py, and all I have to do is run it and it will work. So let's run it. And perfect, it prints out the flag for us. So the flag is obfuscated Python. And right here, if you're wondering, this is Python that was obfuscated on purpose. So you guys can't just go read the code and find the flag. So that's why you can't, it's pretty impossible to understand this code. All right, so now we're going to go into the VM. And in the VM, we're going to practice using Linux commands again. So I'm going to ls to list the directories. And then I'm going to cd into desktop because I know that's where I downloaded my file. ls to see what's inside, and cd into tutorials. ls one more time to check what I have. And there's flag generator.py. Now to run a Python program in a Linux terminal, it's really easy. All I have to do is type Python and then your program name. I'm going to click tab to autocomplete it, and I'm going to press enter. And there's your flag. It just ran the Python program, and now you have the flag. So that's it for this tutorial, and as usual, go ahead and ping us on Discord if you need any other help.